Hi viewers, welcome back, and today we're going to have a look at the anatomy of flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. So the flexor carpi ulnaris is this fusiform muscle located in the superficial flexor compartment of our forearm, and it's the most medial of all the superficial flexors of our forearm. This muscle has got two heads of origin, a small humeral head and a large ulnar head. The humeral head, as you can see, originates through the common flexor tendon from the medial epicondyle of the humerus, while the ulnar head originates from the posteromedial aspects of both the proximal 2/3 of the body and the olecranon of the ulna. These two heads then converge to form a single muscle belly which travels inferiorly towards the hand. And this muscle belly then inserts through a long tendon onto the pisiform bone. This insertion site is further extended from the pisiform bone to the palmar aspect of the hook of the hamate and the palmar aspect of the base of the fifth metacarpal bone. If we study the actions of the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle, so this muscle acts through its tendon of insertion on the pisiform bone and the base of the fifth metacarpal bone to perform two main functions, which are the flexion of the hand at the wrist or the radiocarpal joint and the adduction of the hand at the wrist joint. In terms of the innervation, the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle is supplied by the ulnar nerve. The ulnar nerve originates from the medial cord of the brachial plexus. The nerve fibers for the ulnar nerve are derived from the anterior rami of 7th and 8th cervical and 1st thoracic spinal nerve roots. The ulnar nerve, after arising from the medial cord of the brachial plexus, passes through the ulnar groove posterior to the medial epicondyle of the humerus. And after passing through the ulnar groove, it then passes between the two heads of the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle to run anteriorly to this muscle, and here it gives off branches to this muscle. The flexor carpi ulnaris muscle receives its arterial supply from the ulnar artery. The ulnar artery supplies the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle by giving off a small branch called the posterior ulnar recurrent artery. And the ulnar artery itself arises from the brachial artery. Now let's give a quick review to all these points which we studied about the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. So this muscle has got two heads of origin, a small humeral head and a large ulnar head. The humeral head originates from the medial epicondyle of the humerus, while the ulnar head originates from the proximal 2/3 of the body and the olecranon of the ulna. This muscle then inserts onto the pisiform bone and the palmar aspects of the hook of the hamate bone and the base of the fifth metacarpal bone. The nerve supply of this muscle, so this muscle is supplied by the ulnar nerve. The arterial supply, so this muscle receives its arterial supply from the ulnar artery. And this muscle performs two functions: flexion of the hand at the wrist joint and adduction of the hand at the wrist joint. So this was a tutorial on the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much.